Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading Moon Animator 2. Make sure the plugin is active. Set the project FPS to 30 so timings remain consistent, and choose R6 or R15 depending on your character rig. Once done, lock timeline snapping to 0. 0.5 seconds to capture precise keyframes. This reduces drift later. Now create a new animation file and name it clearly. That first file becomes your working copy, so save immediately and keep autosave on. You proceed by animating in focused passes. Pick one limb or property and set clear key poses. Record a pose, scrub, then add the next. This only-way approach prevents conflicting edits. After blocking, switch to curve editing and smooth transitions using 1/2 step ease in /out for natural arcs. Make sure to use onion skin and zoom the timeline to finely nudge keys at 0. 0.1 second increments. That precision is what keeps motion feeling intentional rather than jittery. You finish by baking the animation to flatten procedural links and then test playback at 2 speeds, 60% and full speed, to catch timing issues. Once satisfied, export to the animation editor or publish as an asset, confirming bone mapping matches your rig. If things go wrong, resnap all keys to 0. 0.5 seconds and rebake. Jitter nearly always comes from inconsistent FPS or snapped floats. Make sure project FPS matches, export FPS, then republish and retest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.